The Matrix.
The Matrix?
Matrix. Matrix. Matrix.
It's a glitch in the Matrix, mate.
Three, two, one. Alright, let's talk about this. The Matrix. Yeah, I know you've heard it more than enough. Everywhere you go, everybody's talking about the Matrix. Escape the Matrix, escape the don't work 9 to 5, blah blah blah. But the real question is what even is the Matrix and how do you escape it? And is it even real? So, according to social media gurus and those financial freedom people out there, the Matrix is basically not working 9 to 5 and not taking paycheck from the government, not being under someone's work, not owning your own business or running some SaaS, some e-commerce or some online product stuff, not owning Bugatti or having some millions of dollars around somewhere, and also the tradition too. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. That one too. But what if people are mistaking what's the Matrix and how to escape it to be? What if what people think this is how to escape the Matrix is wrong? What if that is not what we should really focus on? Like, do you get what I'm saying? Let's get this straight. If the Matrix is having a Bugatti and having some $1 million lying around and not working under the 9 to 5 job and owning your own business, do you think it's really that? Like, for real? And now I'm not here to, disagree with them because I'm no better than them, they're no better than me. And everybody have his or her perspective of seeing things. But for me, that Matrix is a myth or something that we've created on our own to, escape the fact that we don't want to work a normal 9 to 5 job on our own business. And yeah, that's a really great idea. In fact, I also want to own my own business. But because of this in the Matrix, people are now turning down a normal job because they want to own their own business. And very many want to create their own business. They need financial support, they need some capital to start. And these people who are turning down a normal 9 to 5 job or a normal job to receive a paycheck does not even have the capital to start their own business. And how do you expect to make that business in the first place? Like, think about that. Really. So it's not a crime to work a 9 to 5 job. It's not felony to do so. But if you want to run a business, you definitely need something to push yourself. Although there are millions of ways to start a free business like the Shopify and the online store, the affiliate marketing. Everyone is teaching. Suddenly, everybody is a guru of affiliates and SNMA and stuff. They'll tell you it's free, but trust me, at some point you need to push yourself with money. And where do you get that money? It's from the 9 to 5. Where do you get that money? It's working under the government or maybe selling some stuff. Everybody has his own way, but most people, 90%, 95%, we need to work under there to get the money to push ourselves. So do not turn down a normal job just because you want to escape the Matrix or just because you don't want to be in the Matrix or something. Nah. And this is so much frustrating and hard to listen, especially when it's people online. So to this course and then told me it was going to be successful and it's not successful. I quit my job to do this and still it wasn't success. And bro, you need a capital, you need to work, then you push yourself to get out of there. For me, I'm still on it. I'm going to work right now. So you need to go to work too. So we all have some business in mind that we want to create. Having a business mindset isn't just escaping the matrix, it's knowing where to put things and how to go about them. So come on, think about it and let me join you. Yeah,